Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
So why would Samsung bring its Unpacked event to the Bill Graham Center? It was here in 1977 that Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak showed the world the iconic Apple II. Apple II changed the world, and Samsung wants to change the world again with its foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Fold. The Galaxy Fold might look like a thick phone, but it unfolds into a 7.3 tablet device. And that's going to change the way you will use the smartphone because it brings multitasking like never before. It changes a lot of things. But this is not a device a lot of you can afford because it's priced $1,980 per device. But what is going to change is with the Samsung Galaxy S series. There are 3 phones this time: the S10, the S10 Plus and the S10e. Hey wait, there is a 4th phone, the S10 5G. Let's start with the 5G, which we in India will never get to use, at least not for a couple of years. The 5G version is larger with a 6.7-inch screen, a larger battery and a much better camera. But the S10 Plus will come with 3 cameras in the rear and 2 up front. And the camera is the best thing about the device. That is, if you have already seen the display is stunning AMOLED, but in it also comes with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner as well as 2 cameras. Yes, the 2 cameras are in the display. On the S10, there is just 1 camera up front. The S10e, which is a dumbed down version of the S10, is going to be cheaper, but it also comes with lower specs. The processor might be the same in all 3 devices, but on the S10e, you get a slightly lower camera, a slightly lower spec'd display. But this phone, if the iPhone XR is anything to go by, might sell really well in some countries.